Hi everyone, this is KT here. So today's video is about explaining the difference between probability of profit and delta in options trading. So these two terms might confuse a lot of options trader, delta and probability of profit. They might look similar, but they are not the same thing. So let me explain. First of all, let's look at AMD here. We look at delta. So there are delta here for the puts, which is negative 0.520 at the strike price of 115, and delta 0.481 for the calls option at strike price 115. So what is delta? Delta is Greek here. There are quite a number of Greeks like delta, theta, vega, etc. But let's talk about delta here. It measures how much an option's price changes relative to a $1 move in the underlying stock. So, example, if this delta is negative 0.520 for the put option here at 115, if increase $1, there'll be a negative 0.52 decrease in the premium of the puts. Okay, so here's the twist. For out of the money options, delta is often interpreted as the approximate probability the option will expire in the money. So let's recap back what is out of the money and in the money. So for puts here, right? If you sold puts at $115 at the strike price, the market price is at 116. If it's $115 strike price and market price is 116, we can say that this is out of the money. If the market price is 116, but the strike price is 117, we call it in the money. And if its strike price and market price are the same, it's at the money. So for out of the money options, let's say now the current market price is 115.44. The option strike price now is 115. Um, so it having a negative 0.520 delta, it's approximately the probability of about 52% that the option will expire in the money. Okay, so that's the explanation of delta, but here's the catch. This is only a rough estimate, not a true probability. So delta is a dynamic number. It changes as price, time, and volatility change. So what is probability of profit? So let's look at Tasty Trade here. Tasty Trades has the probability of profit here. So same AMD, you can choose long, call, short put. So the same. Short put, looking at May 30th, 2025, I will look, the current market price is 114.56 here. The data is a bit slow, but nevertheless, let's look at 114 strike price. This is out of the money puts here. The probability of profit is 73%. So this is probability of profit. It's the actual statistical probability that the options trade will end in my favor, and is based on current market assumptions like implied volatility, time to expiration, and current price. That's a relationship here. So if I sell my puts at strike price 113 and market price is 114.56, my probability of profit increases. Same goes for 112, 111. So at 111 is 84%. So it means that let's say my probability of profit is 84%. It means that based on the current market data, there's a 84% chance that the stock will stay uh, above $114 until expiration. So the key takeaway is that probability of profit is broader. It considers time decay, volatility, and the structure of my trade, not just moneyness. Moneyness is just how I explain out of the money, in the money, and at the money. So if you compare delta and probability of profit, delta, back to delta, delta is price sensitivity plus rough in the money chance. Well, probability of success is more stat based, chance of finishing profitable. And so both changes with price, volatility, and time. However, delta is more of a approximation, while probability of profit is more of a model-based projection. So delta is useful for strike price selection or hedging, while probability of profit is more of risk assessment and trade planning. But to me, it's about the same, just that the definition is different. It's just more of a approximation. Uh, example, if I want to sell a put at 1-on-1, probability of profit 84% versus here 1-on-1 delta negative 0.258. So what does it mean? So it might have if I'm selling a put with delta 0.258 here, there's a 25.8% chance it finish in the money. But the probability of profit could be just 74.2% because I will collect a premium and have a cushion. So just to end this video, delta is not the same as probability of profit. It is a shortcut if you look at delta. But if we are building a multi-leg strategy like Iron Condor or credit spreads, debit spreads, so how do we take a look? So here, there's different strategy here. We can choose to do a vertical spread, butterfly spread, strangle, straddle, iron condor. So let's do an iron condor here. So you can look at the probability of profit, 26% here. So it means that delta is just like a shortcut to gauge the probability of success. But if you really actually look at multi-leg strategy, we will look at a combined probability of profit based on the full risk profile. So I think to wrap up, just need to remember delta is a great starting point for strike price selection. Probability of profit gives us a better idea of my real odds. Okay, my real odds here. I'll probably advise to use both, but don't confuse them. Just think of delta as a compass and probability of profit as your actual weather forecast. So if you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more options trading content, and drops a comment below. So usually what's your go-to delta when selling puts? For me, it's usually between 0 0.1 to 0 0.3. Um, and for probability of profit, I will look at usually 75% or 80%. It depends on the feel of the price action of certain stocks. Some volatile stocks, I will go for a 90% probability of profit. Some stable stocks, I will look at probably 80% or 85%. So that's just my indicator. It does not really apply to everyone based on their risk profile. So there's a risk to reward here because I'm selling puts option for premium. So I have to balance between the probability of profit and the premium that I want to get. Um, yep. So I think that's all. Yeah. So have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.